Well, we simply turn the rubber into something more valuable. So there must be some natural mechanism that helps the tree to quickly, to better heal itself. The research team came up with the method to extract these valuable stuffs from the rubber tree.
Swadika, welcome to Thailand. Today I'm Kusuma Yeothasmut as your host. Whitening products are very popular among consumers in Asia, and it is estimated that the total market value in Asia Pacific will reach $10 billion in 2016. This means huge market opportunities for leading cosmetic brands as well as South Korea and Thailand, which have been two of Asia's leading cosmetic manufacturers. Thailand has reportedly made a huge step ahead as Thai researchers have successfully made use of the abundant supply of natural rubber latex in the making of innovative skincare and whitening product lines. How is it possible? Our guest for Thailand today is Dr. Nares Damrongchai, CEO, Thailand Center of Excellence for the Life Science, or another name is T-Cells, Ministry of Science and Technology, who will share with us why and how rubber latex will become a product that most women in Asia and beyond can't live without it. I am honored to welcome Dr. Nares Damrongchai. He also CEO Thailand Center of Excellence for Life Science, or T-Cells, Ministry of Science and Technology. Swadika.
Swadika.
Welcome back.
Thank you for inviting again.
Pleasure, because why not? Because this time you will talk something which is new innovation, something new, something for women, for all of us. So when I mentioned about that a little bit, I would love to, shall I congratulate for the first time for the innovation?
Yes.
Should I?
Thank you.
Well, we talk about rubber.
Yep.
We talked about latex of the rubber, which is it's going to be made use of it. Presently, Thailand and many countries facing crisis on this kind of the rubber plantation, rubber selling, marketing. What do you do with it?
Well, we simply turn the rubber into something more valuable, more higher value added, and simply makes people happy.
So this is being kept secret about the natural production of the rubber. So, what can you tell us about why the pricing? Before we go too deeper to that, the pricing so low. Why it is so?
Well, you talk about the price, which
yes.
is a very primary product.
The country.
Yeah, rubber latex, or rubber sheet. Those are primary products. And Thailand, it's now time to graduate from a country that sell large quantities of primary products and move into the higher value added innovative products or services, which is what we do at T-Cells. We support research, development, and management of these new innovations.
But then how come one of a day, good fine day, you all sit down and think about it or what? How did it come out? I just really keen to know this.
Well, okay. I have to go back to the rubber tree itself. In a sense, we should pay more respect to the rubber tree. People cut the tree every day when it grows up to a certain age. But the secret is within the rubber latex, because like other plants, they have, like human, we have a blood, like animal have blood, so the trees have theirs. So when we observe that the rubber trees get cut every day, and somehow it heals itself, and then it got cut again, and it heals again. So there must be some natural mechanism that helps the tree to quickly, to better heal itself, because if the healing process does not happen, or if it's too slow, then the cut left open would invite all kinds of germs, bacteria, virus into the body of the tree. So this is very, very important for the survival of the rubber tree. So during its recent evolution, we think that the rubber tree developed this capability to quickly or to better heal itself from the damages. Okay, so we started to look into the project, to look into the process, how the rubber plant healed itself. There must be some biochemical process, very natural, but maybe more prominent in case of the rubber tree. I mean, all kinds of trees have this, but the rubber tree do it better than others. So according to the research, the research, well, we are not the first to do research. There are the body of knowledge in the world going back decades about the biochemistry of the rubber tree. So based on that knowledge, we build on top, and we further look into the biotechnology and support the early funding of this research. Well, believe it or not, eventually we did not imagine that we would arrive at cosmetics, because we were initially thinking about more like drugs, or more like chemicals, or even vaccines. But somehow during the project at one time, T cells decided to think differently. Maybe this would be more suitable for something like cosmetics, which at the time was not thought much about. So then the line of the research was conducted towards the goal, which is today, cosmetic products. Okay, and with the process that are already patented right now, the research team came up with the method to extract these valuable stuffs from the rubber tree, from the rubber latex.
Okay.
And particularly the serum. The serum is the part, the watery part, transparent, not the meat of the rubber. Let's say.
Okay. So can you explain the trunk like that? So the portion, how is it?
Well,
the topper one is the water.
No, actually, the rubber is lower concentration or density, so it floats on top.
Okay.
Right, and this is only a small portion. The large portion of the rubber latex is the serum, or about half.
Okay.
If you take 1 liter, a half of that liter would be serum.
Okay.
So we took the serum, and we first threw away the rubber meat, the part, the hard stuff.
Okay.
But now we make use of them, because we can also sell those too. But the important part is the serum. And the research was conducted on how to extract and find those molecules, those chemicals that are useful. And we found it. It's a combination, actually. So this is an extract. You have it in your hand right now.
So this is what? This is what? Can you hold it so that our viewers can see?
This is the rubber extract, 200 grams. Well, it is now sold at 45,000 baht per kilogram.
Goodness.
Well, this is a discounted
Costly now.
price.
But
Yes, but if you get like 200 liters of rubber latex, you will get roughly 1 kilogram of the extract, which you could sell now at 45,000 baht.
God, expensive. Anyway, yes.
Yeah, you see how the value could be created.
Look at this.
Because you can never do that with the raw material without the technology. Yeah.
Talk about technology. So to push it into this period of time, this innovation, you need a lot of apparatus, equipment, or what kind of very high technology to
well, definitely investment, yes. So we T-Cells did invest into building a small pilot plant next to the university laboratory, which is in the south, and then use that pilot plant to manufacture this rubber extract and do research on the consistency of the quality and so on, because scaling up from the laboratory into semi production or manufacturing is another challenge. It's different from doing the lab research. You have to also think about stability, quality, and the cost. So it's a different kind of challenge. So T-Cells invested in that pilot plant, and this rubber extract that you have now is produced from that pilot plant. Well, there are plans to build more production plant with a highest standard. Actually, it's food grade. Yes, so that we could manufacture more.
Another move. The future?
Well, very, very immediate future, because demand is coming in, and pilot plant cannot cope with this size of demand.
Doctor, what are these essential attributions of the rubber latex that you could make as a significant source of income for the local rubber growers in the future?
First, you have to have a fresh rubber latex delivered to the plant, pilot plant or plant, in a timely manner, usually within an hour, 2 hours, but not much longer than that. We need as fresh raw material as possible, because the freshness could be damaged easily. That's why we did this research in Thailand, because you see, Thailand is the largest producer of rubber, and it's very difficult to imitate. If we have the rubber plant next door and we have a pilot plant or a plant, then the logistic will be very easy. So we started by making contract with cooperatives, and have them deliver the raw material, and then through the manufacturing process with the patented technology, we have the rubber extract, and we did the test on them. Many years has been spent on testing at all levels, laboratory, animal testing. Well, these are kind to animal. We don't kill them. And human volunteers, we don't kill them either. Human volunteers, thousands.
Ready to come in.
Yeah, well, at first we have to recruit them, and really do serious research into comparing before and after, or comparing by benchmarking with other similar compounds. So only after that, we started to transfer the technology, and then the first company, usually they take the risk, right? So the first company came up with the product, and then here is that company product. They're still selling. POS stands for Prince of Songkhla.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
Who knows? It is something like a very popular, very, what do you call it?
Yeah. This is by a startup company from the University Prince of Songkhla in the south of Thailand.
All right.
And I think this is perhaps the fourth model or generation of their products. They're doing better and better, but still locally sold. Well, they have marketing office all over, and they do internet marketing.
Selling,
they did. Yeah.
about the quality? I mean, you said we are the highest in the production or owned rubber plantation, but what is the quality? Do you need a quality for that? No, it doesn't matter. The quality of the rubber.
We surely need the highest quality. But the quality right now with Thai rubber is okay. There's no problem with that. The main concern comes, actually the main concern starts once we get the rubber latex from the tree.
Okay.
Okay, and you know the logistics, the chain starts from there, and then quality control, quality assurance within the plant, and the delivery process. And these things they are stable, and they with more and more research and development, they become more and more stable. So the shelf life is longer now, but still they have shelf life.
Yeah.
They do expire. So yeah, we make sure that they reach the target customer and being used before expiration.
What we have here is that they have a night cream, they have a day cream, they have a serum. So about this all safe, doctor? Because before I'm coming into the program, somebody asked me, "It is safe? Rubber? Everybody is rubber. It's rubber. You know, just it can be harmful to the skin." But
well, yes. Two big issues. Okay, safety is one. Even though we don't eat them, we may in the future. But right now we don't eat rubber. So safety is one of the first concerns. As I said, we tested pre-clinic, clinic, and actually market testing. So after the volunteer test proven safe, we also distribute this, and we record the person's, you know, the contact of the person who received these pre-market products. And so we are quite sure right now that they are safe within the Thai population. Even at that stage, we recommend those not volunteers, but we recommend those initial adopters to test by using on their arms, see if they have allergy, if they develop anything. But no, we didn't see that. And this is because we already handled the protein that causes allergic reaction. So you don't have it here. You don't have it here. So it's safe, I can say. The second big issue is about the perception, which might be as big or even bigger, because it goes against common sense. Especially if you talk about cosmetic products.
yes.
Normally, maybe we don't want to use rubber. The word rubber associate with other things, not beauty
course.
so far, like, you know, tires,
road,
or, you know, some heavy things. This is very light. So we have to change that perception, change the image. A lot of work has to be done. But of course, the early adopters, the growing market will gradually turn this perception into a positive way. And this is good for us, because we have something that, you know, now Thai people, more and more Thai people know that we have good cosmetic products made from local raw material, local technology, patented, and also the world doesn't know much about. So we have something to be proud of, you know, the uniqueness. But I think, you know, sooner or later, the market will grow internationally, because we already get attention from potential customers in other countries like Brazil, big country, India, big country. So yeah, very high potential.
Our viewers in 177 countries, maybe looking at it, and we can, you know, doing our business prosperity.
Yeah, I think the best way is if, you know, people look into Thailand and see, well, the beauty, and we say, well, we use rubber. No, we use extracts from rubber tree and with the technology, and look, then it will create the acceptance for the international market.
We recently, maybe those who read the news on that, this government, especially Prime Minister, was, or many have been proposed to the Prime Minister that to produce rubber, because we have plenty of it. We have so produce it to mattress, or to the road, to whatever. So is this to be one of the line that the Prime Minister or the Thai government help or look at it?
Of course it is. And the Prime Minister himself has tested this product.
Yes, really?
Yes, twice.
Twice?
Yes.
Does it work with the twice?
And
how did he say? This is very good comment to that.
Well, do more homework on marketing, design, and so on. The quality is already good. So
I trust it.
Yeah. So a lot of things we still continue to work on. But the good news is that more and more companies are showing interest, and they come to us most every day, and they talk about tech transfer. They talk about, can I also buy the extract? Price is not their concern. It's the quality, it's the reliability, and the potential market. Yes.
So what I would like you to conclude today, in case that those who are in Thailand are looking for it, this is a whole product to be used for what? For curing melamine, what do you call melasma or what?
Well, yeah, the freckles and those dark spots,
yes.
and wrinkles. These products are very effective.
It will be appear, to look good and glowing. How many months or what? I mean,
well,
what is the period?
According to my wife, she noticed the effect in 2 weeks.
Wow, such a very effective.
Yeah. Well, in general, people report to us around that.
Doctor, a minute for you. Please convince the people. Show them what we have, what Thailand have under your work, and such a good work that you've done. So please do.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Well, Thailand may be known for famous tourist destination, but we have other things to offer, and these are the products of our hard work, research, and perseverance to put knowledge into technology, put technology into products that makes people's life better and make the world a better place. So I would like to recommend to you that you visit Thailand, you try our product and see for yourself how good they are, and I want you to look forward for the next line of products that we're coming out.
This is Dr. Nares Damrongchai. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
being here. Thank you very much. And I'm looking forward some more, hear more. Whenever you have something more, this is for a country of Thailand and for the.
Sorry, you have to invite me again.
I will do, definitely. Thailand Today would like to thank Dr. Nares Damrongchai, CEO Thailand Center of Excellence for Life Science T-Cells, Ministry of Science and Technology, for breaking the good news about a major discovery that will likely increase global demand for rubber latex and improve the prospect of Thai rubber industry. Thank you for watching Thailand Today. I'm Kusuma Yuothasamut. Hope to see you again next time. Swadika.